You can't give away your picnic free and hungry for work, my no man and picnic. A bumbo clot like them, you feel dead. Me no wrong enough and sit down in them blood clot face, you know. Me see you doing wrong, woman, from put them asshole in them blood clot face. Fucking fool. I am sit down on the valley, you know.
You know what I'm saying?
Without the man that's what they see, no picnic ban a bumbo clot.
No picnic ban.
And the man fi draw back and refuse from show the blood clot teeth. So no want money. How am I get money? The generation done to pussy clot. They want the picnic them to be lawyer, doctor, minister, judge, teacher, this, that, and we not get no money. You feel about stinking blood clot shit. I rob you, want to rob me. Me wealth and me value without with the world hen. And the blood clot man fi pack stone and get and run and yard back fi stone new man with him pussy. Where you go? Where the bumbo clot you go? And when we done fuck your hand up get something free? Free your pussy clot. 10,000 for your little girl. And 40 for your little boys. None now born a bumbo clot. So me fi take up my picnic give it free. And have ready for work my no man and picnic. Who no feel a stinking blood clot shit. When the picnic then get blood clot big, me want help and can't get them out there in our system, then the system and get them benefit to blood clot and they never help me to grow them. Right?
Facts.
And me alone go through blood, sweat and tears for them get big. And when they get big, me need them attention and them no available. Out there in our system, then they get them blood clot attention.
Facts.
No pussy clot fool.
Facts. Tell them again.
But I'm not asking. You no let me down, man.
Facts.
Go to none your man. Man, you bumbo clot. Make a man overcome, you know. Like a them rule. I want to hear hello, hypes. That means you're somebody, we are not nobody. If you was thinking shit, if I'm me all the man, if finger and pussy telling dead, you not beg fuck me, not begging. A blood clot. Make we see what you know we can hold out longer. You stinker. You fucking bad mind bitch. Make it look like you not get no comfort, you not get no pleasure out of fuck. Yes. And me alone want fuck and like a favor you grant me. You want to kill your blood clot, you think of your pussy. Eh? God give you my things to keep for me. I'm ready for me things. What you want me to beg for? Me a demand that bumbo clot unless me no want it, you know. Kind of fear. God give you to keep for me and my blood clot one. I'm ready for me things and not give me no trouble, you know. Like you want me to satisfy your needs and your demands and all them pussy clot them before you give me things. How you do? How you do and I broke my arm, bro? You believe me they know the joke with my arm, bro? Somebody dead to blood clot and me I go to prison. What? Oh, beg your pussy. Unless your pussy sick to blood clot you will get away, you know. But when you not sick, don't give me no trouble, you know. Because I want me things. And just surrender and give me blood clot things, you know, because you know you're my one, you know.
Simple.
I don't want bumbo clot give to me like you want me obligate to you and beg you. You want me cut your blood clot throat, how you do?
Same way it go. Same way it go.
Go to no beg pussy what you demand fuck. I me kill out your pussy clot. You think me can back face and go fuck animal and fuck but you ain't no boy. And you say want me pussy and you fuck your bumbo clot or tell about you hungry. Hungry your bumbo clot, me can't eat for you. Eh? When you're hungry, you don't know if you go find something yam. What you tell me about your hunger for? When me hungry, me know if you go find something yam. What your face the blood clot? You frat on the cocky. When me done broke, you go find something yam. Don't give me no trouble.
No trouble.
Don't me busy with you and you hungry. How you hungry and not go find something blood clot yam? What you tell me about your hunger for? Me can't eat for you. You see food from my blood clot head top. I'm a murder on a bumbo clot, you know. Oh, you mean, man? This the animal ain't no joke in that species of a blood clot animal ain't no joke when they want fuck. Death, you know.
Death.
Out here buy woman this and street him and buy in need and in demands and all these things. You want to kill you? You thief in wicked bad mind bitch when you go to the government. Go to my Jamaica house, go block the road. To him and them with a money machine, you see, say me and dying to blood clot. Any money me have a tile me have a tile for you want help me done it. And say me and your friend. What a rascal enemy man. You don't know when I feel to get money. No energy and labor me have to last. And you want help me done it quick that me fi go last energy and labor again. Me cut your blood clot out, you know. You hear me say go hunt for you. Because we all are prisoner. Woman prisoner, man prisoner. What the blood clot you lean for me for? What you give me for? Give your blood clot. Fucking is a must. Go in now. What you give me fuck? What you give me no fuck?
Pussy make am put on
No
for
fuck
you.
with fuck. You don't have to fuck and me have to fuck. How you make it look like you don't want to fuck? Me murder your teeth in bomber hole.
Yeah, nice.
No much woman when he